Ooh. Hello everyone, I am Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. For today's video, I'm super excited to share some products from M Cosmetics. So this is my first time using most of the products that I'm going to share with you. So I'm so excited to dive into this video. And if you would like to check it out, then don't go anywhere. Stick around with me and of course keep watching. And if you do enjoy this video, be sure to hit that like button. And if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe. Quickly, I want to share with you the items that I did purchase, and then once we kind of talk about them, I share and show a little bit, I want to do a quick tutorial with you. We're going to kick this off with some eyeliner. Now this is a nice liquid eyeliner, and I'm always looking for a really nice one that stays, it doesn't smudge, and I'm hoping this will be one of them. The packaging, all of the packaging is super nice. It's very simple, very sleek. I love like our little emblem right here. You see that and you know M Cosmetics. Go ahead and open this up. Oh, where'd you go? Here it is, M Cosmetics. This is a felt tip. It'll go like this. I'm super excited to try this one. Ooh. And the next item is an eyeshadow palette. So this one is Divine Skies eyeshadow palette. It has really nice, beautiful packaging here. So it kind of goes from like pink to white, has like a little ombre. I don't know how well you guys can tell, but it goes pink to white, white to pink. And of course, the beautiful little emblem right there in gold. And on the back side, it does have the names of the shadows. I know it doesn't have the names and like on the palette because I did already open it. I just didn't use it yet. So we're gonna pop this puppy open. Make sure we don't drop it. Ooh. And so open this up. You have your mirror right here. And then of course, these beautiful colors in the palette. Now this is as far as it opens. It doesn't go like all the way again, which is fine, but that's just how far it goes. And these are the colors. We have 3 shimmer shades and 3 matte shades. I'm not going to, oh my God, what is that called? Not smudge them. Swatch, oh my gosh. These colors are so nice where you could pull this off springtime, summertime, fall time. I mean, like, I just feel like this palette, it's nice because it's a very like neutral, but yet with a little bit of a pop of like soft color that it really can be used any time of the year. Just like, I can't wait to get this all over my eyes, and some of these I'm gonna use it for my face. Next, and now the last purchased item from M Cosmetics that I got. This product was what I initially saw and I was like, oh, I have to get this. And then of course you go to the website, you know, you put that in your cart and then you just like kind of keep perusing, and that's why I got the couple other things. I don't think I did terrible. I think I did tasteful, but that's not the point. So let's move on to the third thing. Lip gloss right here. This is like a big hit. Oh my gosh. It is called Morning Dew. And it's out of the box because this is the one item that as soon as I got it, I literally took this out and I started to use it. And I love it. I use it a lot. This is what the box looks like though for the lip gloss. That was me trying to tear into it when I got it, and then I went from the bottom and I got it out. This gloss is amazing. My lips stay very nice and hydrated. It's not like super tacky and like sticky, like a sticky lip gloss. Oh, it is so shiny and just like, it just looks so wet. It gives such a wet, glossy look. It's beautiful. And now a bonus item. This for free. I was like, what? This is their True Gloss in Magic Hour. This was a nice little perk. I was like, oh, all right. Okay, I gotta try another little lip gloss out. I like this. So I was excited about that. All right, now that I have shared all of the products that I have today, I'm gonna start getting a little makeup look going on. So let's jump right into it. Picking up the shade Sunset, I'm going to be working this color into the outer V and slightly towards the middle of my lid. Here I just deepened it a little more with the same color. Going right over Sunset with Phoenix, I want to make that color a little more intense, a little more vibrant, so that's what I'm going to do. Now picking up the color Magic Hour, I'm just going to add this to about 2/3 of my lid and lift it up a little bit higher than my crease. With the pad of my finger, I'm going to add the color color Radiant to the middle of my lid. Oh, such a beautiful shade. Here, going back into Phoenix, very sloppily, I'm applying this to my lower lash line and then blending out the harsh edge. It's official, I've decided to use this palette everywhere. Hopping into Terra, I'm applying this to my cheekbones, across my forehead, into my temples some. I also added it to my cheekbones as well. Once I give myself a little bronze, I am using this palette for blush as well. This shade is the Sunset color, so adding that, and you could even use the color Phoenix, either would make a beautiful blush. For highlight, I am using Heavenly. This is gorgeous and it's going everywhere. The brow bone, the inner corner, a little swipe to the lower lash line, cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, and I cannot forget Sexy Sexy Time, the Cupid's bow. Jumping back up to the eyes, I'm applying my eyeliner, and let me tell you guys, this eyeliner is awesome. I was absolutely impressed with the application. It went on really nice and smooth, no issues, no problems. The liner is very nice and black, and I got like the sharpest wing ever. I was so impressed, and I can't wait to see the long wear of this eyeliner. It's amazing. So once we finished both sides, I kind of fan it out, get them to dry a little faster. Off camera, I did apply falsies, mascara, and a nice nude liner to my lower waterline. Now for the lips, I wanted to show you guys both of the glosses. The first one is Morning Dew. This is my absolute favorite gloss. It's in like the top two. It is gorgeous, it's shiny, it's glossy, it's moisturizing, it's amazing. Oh, love it, love it, love it. Time for Magic Hour. This gloss was absolutely wonderful as well, and the softness of color was absolutely perfect. Now I'm extra, so I had to go a little bit more and add some of Magic Hour shadow to the middle of my lips, and this is the completed makeup look from M Cosmetics. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have ever used any of these products or if you might in the future. And that is it. Thank you so much everyone for hanging out with me and checking out today's video. And I hope that all of my makeup lovers and my curl friends, that you will come back next Monday and join me for another video. Thanks again for watching. Take care. I'm gonna be sharing with you some products from, you go to shake them and nothing happens. It doesn't have like a shaker in them. And I'm always like, wait, what? This one right here. So this color right here is the Magic, can our eyeliner be like our eyebrows, sisters, not twins?